Good Tuesday. I just need to make a small batch of pickled peppers. These are sweet peppers, so they're going to be sweet pickled peppers. And I am all out of fresh garlic today. I don't know what I did with my fresh garlic. But we will be using bay leaves, red pepper flakes, some cumin seeds, some cloves, sugar, salt. That's about it. I'm going to make 2 little bottles. The ratio is 1:1 for water and vinegar. So you've got to figure out the size of your jar. If you're doing 1 cup of water and 1 cup of vinegar, you want to use 2 tablespoons of sugar, like a teaspoon of salt. It's not rocket science. I just need to make a small batch. We've got 1 lid for sealing. We're not canning. We're making peppers you're going to use up probably within a week or 2. We'll use these up within the week. These will last longer because the hot jar will clamp that lid down. Let's stop yapping and let's start making some sweet pickled peppers. Ginger. About 24 hours later, you can see that as this cooled, we created a little vacuum in there. From what I've read online, these are supposed to last maybe 4 months. I don't know. This one goes back in the fridge. We try some sweet pickled peppers? Let's try one. Wow. That's freaking delicious. Very crunchy, sweet, salty, tangy. All right, let's keep going here. I'm impressed. They're really good. I'm happy with this. Wow. You can put any spices in there you want. I can taste a little bit of the heat from the peppers. Thanks for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say? I'm just going to eat some more. They're really tasty.